In this video, I make an unconventional and different alcohol gun that has a very good power. The soda bottle can no longer be used to turn it into a gun, just use a soldering iron to pierce it according to the video. We cut and separate the extra parts of the bottle using a razor. Remove the spark plug of a lighter and adjust its wire according to the video.
This is what makes heartbreak so difficult to heal.
Using hot glue, we firmly stick the lighter in the hole we made in the bottle.
But heartbroken people do not. But you do now.
We use the automatic tube as a narrow tube, we just need to connect it to the bottle cap using thermal glue.
When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you.
Spray the alcohol into the bottle and shake it until internal combustion occurs. You can also do this test using a spray.
You're just feeling your addiction.
Subscribe for useful and amazing techniques. Thanks for watching this video.